Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Count Life. I'm Adil, and we're here at
Sonesta, River North.
That's right, folks. We are here at Royal Sonesta, River North. Now, this is one of 3 locations in downtown Chicago. So in this video, what we're going to do is give you guys a rundown of the room we're staying at, some of the amenities, the on-site dining, and overall the entire hotel. So let's get started and show you guys what this place has to offer. $1,004. Got it? There you go.
Wow.
Whoa, check this out, guys. Oh, he went right for this. Before we look at the fun stuff, how about you show us the room?
Okay.
What do we got here? We got the living room?
Yeah.
Oh, you want us to see the TV?
Yeah.
You got the TV that's tucked in on the corner here. So this is the living space, guys. This is the sofa. You got the corner chair, the work desk with the phone and the lamp. You got the beautiful view out here. So let's see what we got going on. We got the corner room that kind of sticks out. So that looks very nice. And then a lot of lighting, a lot of light coming in from these large windows all around, floor to ceiling windows. What else are we gonna see?
Oh, yeah.
The bed? Yep, the king size bed. I actually like this open layout. So it's very spacious. Now to add on to it, you got all this decor. You got the painting right here, the artwork, and then more on this side. I like the whole abstract contrast, everything that goes hand in hand. So if you guys look at the room, I mean, it's nice. And of course you got your water bottle from Royal Sonesta right over there. And then you got 2-sided views. Let's open this up. There you go. So we love lighting, so this is awesome. And then you can obviously see State Street from here. And then, yep, you got the closet here. You got something to show me?
Yeah.
That? We're gonna get to it. All right, you know what? Let's go. Go ahead, look at it. What do we got? Oh, so many games to play with.
What's here?
I'm not sure. You want to see it?
Yeah.
Let's take it out.
Book.
Whoa! Welcome to the carnival. So you got some activities planned out for you. So keep you a little busy. Keep you and your sister busy. Oh, check out the shades. Perfect time too, because it is sunny out there. Hey, you love those.
Last guy.
All right, while he's playing with this, let's check out the rest of the room here. Should be the closet. Let's open this up. Yeah, so you got your closet, safe on top, extra pillows, your robes. That's included ironing board with the iron. So yeah, extra blankets, sheets on top in case you need it, in case you get cold. I gotta say the temperature in here is perfect right now, so we're not gonna touch the dial. You got large mirrors, forgot to mention that, on both sides, which make the room look even bigger. And then of course your outlets, so you got extra outlets here, USB and whatnot, your alarm clock, so everything is accessible right at your bedside. Oh, we got some milk and cookies for the kids. Oh, that's amazing. Thank you so much.
No problem.
All right, we'll check out the bathroom next. Large mirrored door. So this actually closes, so you can open and close your door just like that. And then your bathroom. That is a very nice bathroom. So loving the colored contrast here as well. Large mirror. Oh, wow. There we go. We got the jacuzzi right here with so many jets. Oh, wow, this will be fun. And then, of course, your standing shower, which is huge. Check this out. And then, of course, your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash included with your stay. And then your toilet, some more artwork all around. I'm loving the whole feel here, guys. This looks really nice. Very cozy vibe to it and all the artwork as well. Love how this looks. All right, Zidane, let's go check out the lobby and the front desk and some of the amenities this place has to offer. I hear there's a pool, swimming pool. You want to check it out?
Yeah.
All right, let's go upstairs on the top 17th floor and check out the pool.
Okay.
have it, Royal Sonesta in River North. If you guys have any questions about this place, ask this guy down below. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye-bye.